Presenting the 2014 Chevrolet Impala. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include alloy rims, anti-lock brakes. On the inside, you'll find steering wheel controls, front airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats, cruise control, a trip computer, power outlet, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.